the easiest way to make money on Amazon with online arbitrage is to copy what sellers who know what they're doing are doing, which means just look at their storefront, figure out what they sell, try to sell the same thing. And in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the right way to do storefront stalking without getting burned, without spending hours and hours and hours going through the same products over and over again. So to do this, we are going to look at this product right there, which is kind of hot right now, right? So you can get it for $12.99, it sells for $28. Now it's out of stock, you cannot make it work, right? But the dumb way to actually make it work, by the way, before I go further, see this profit calculator right there? It's 100% free, okay? So you can get it actually, instead of paying, I don't know how much in subscription, you can go into arbitragestalker.com. Right there, you click into extension and you just install it into your Google Chrome browser. Isn't it beautiful? It's 100% free. But let's get back to what we were doing, right? So you get it for free. Okay, you don't need a plan, all right? You don't need a plan. It's 100% free. It's going to save you $30 a month. Maybe like $99 a year if you're getting like Seller, but like other tools are charging you like $30 a month, which is crazy. You get it for free, all right? Now, as I was saying, so it's a product that is kind of hot right now. So we know that people on it are kind of arbitrage sellers, right? And so what we're going to do is we're just going to click on their name on Keepa, right? And the dumb way to actually go about it, right? For example, this guy right there, ATG collectible, right? The dumb way to go about it would be to just go into a storefront and go through every single product and then taking notes of his storefront and going over it every single week yourself. Or maybe you just start from zero and you start from here and you keep like every single day you find new storefront to actually stalk, right? That's the dumb way. So what you can do instead is see right there, you don't see it, but what I can do instead is I can take this right there. So every single seller on Amazon has what we call a seller ID, right? And you can find them if you go on Keepa into the data tab and you go into offers, right? So the guy that we were actually trying to look for is ATG collectibles, right? So really easy. And of course, Keepa is taking forever to load. Here we go. So on Keepa on the offer tab, if you scroll to the right here, you're always going to have the seller ID for all these sellers. If it's not there, just click on configure columns, right? And go into, just type ID, you're gonna find seller ID, just turn it on, right? So what I'm going to do, instead of going into a storefront every single day manually to see if he's adding new products, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Arbitrage Stalker, right? I'm going to log in. Boom, here we go. So what I'm going to do from here is see this big blue button right there? I'm just going to click on it and I'm going to paste this seller ID, okay? As simple as that, right? If I want, I can just also go into a store, right? Just take it, that's the Keepa, my bad. Just take it right there, I'll take the URL from Keepa and just click on add seller. And so by doing that, oops, my bad, I put the Keepa link, I need to put the Amazon link or the seller ID, right? So let me just take the Amazon link for this seller, boom, right there, click add seller, boom, here we go. And now what Arbitrage Stalker is going to do is that it's going to track every single product that this guy actually adds to his store. And in addition, what's going to happen is that whenever he adds a new product, I'm going to receive the notification on Discord, on Telegram, or on Slack. I can set it up wherever I want to, or I can just go here, right? Go into the lead feed right there, which is the button right below, right? And just wait for, and this account is going to be a little bit slow to load because it has 30,000 products in the lead feed, right? But here we go. So what's going to happen is that I'm going to see all the products that were added recently and where I can potentially source them, right? So, for example, right, this guy right here, Ozzy Road, just added this MAC cosmetic thing not too long ago. When was it? It was at 4:16 p.m., which was 20 minutes ago, right? So it means it's likely that this product is not a product that has been run through over and over again, and that it's probably either it's profitable right now or it has been profitable recently, right? So $15 at Ulta Beauty, we can get 20% off. So we get it at like $12 something, right? So 15, 80, boom, and we get it for 12, right? Let's add tax onto this. Boom, actually we can get good gift cards, but we're not even going to actually like look into that. But just with this alone, right, I'm already at 50% return on investment, right? First product that we checked today, just by looking at the latest product that this seller actually added. Beyond that, for every single product, what I can do is click right there and get the AI read on this product with the free Arbitrage Stalker Chrome extension. And what it's going to do is I'm going to tell you if I should buy the product or if I should skip it, or like what's the biggest risk with the product, right? Which in this case is it's a product in the beauty category, it's a high return category. So we need to factor that in our profit calculation and know that, okay, we're going to lose some profit to returns, right? And so it has a score of 72, right? And so it's something that I can potentially think of buying, right? It looks decent, doesn't look too bad. The price tanked, but that was of a price right there, right? And so that's how it works, okay? You should stop making storefront stalking complicated. It's literally as easy as that. Why would you make it more complicated than that? Just track some sellers and then go into your lead feed every single day on Arbitrage Stalker and look at all, like literally you can see that's the latest product that was added, right? And so if you want to have success with storefront stalking, you need to look at what was added recently. The issue is that if I go, so that guy is Aussie Road, right? So let's go right here. Let's see if he still has stock, right? The issue is that if I want it to, he's right there, right? That's a guy that I've been tracking forever. And so the issue, as I was saying, is that if I want to go through every single one of these products, right? Like you'll see, like right now, like he has, how many products does he have? Let me see. This guy has 356 listings on his Amazon account, right? So I will need to go through hundreds of products before I actually find this product that I found that was profitable. Instead of doing that, I can just add him once into Arbitrage Stalker and just wait until he adds products, and then I can just copy what he does. And that's the easiest money you will ever make when it comes to actually making money on Amazon, okay? Forget about trying to figure out some crazy strategies yourself. Just copy what successful sellers are actually doing right now. And don't do it manually like everyone wants you to do. No, be smart about it. Be smart about it and just do it yourself manually. Do it yourself by automating it. All right? That's how it works. So hopefully you got, like, it was helpful, right? If you like this video, just like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one tomorrow. Thank you for